We've passed the citrus candy and jelly factory many times on US 27, and today we finally had a chance to stop inside.
Welcome to the citrus candy factory.
As soon as we stepped inside, we were greeted by an employee who gave us a tour of the candy making process. It is so neat that this candy is made right here in Florida. Here you can see that the candy is being bagged, and this is for sale in the store. We end up buying some later in the video. Here you can see the candy on the shelves, and over on the right is the machine that shrink wraps the packages. All of the employees were so friendly and smiled as they were working to greet us while we watched them work. Here is some of the history of the Davidson of Dundee Candy and Jelly Factory. You'll find out more when you take the tour. The lady on the left is sugar coating the jelly candies. When the jelly candy is very hot and in liquid form, it's placed on these marble tops to help cool it down. There's a picture of Mr. Davidson. In this area, the employees were mostly cleaning out the machinery since we came towards the end of the day, but we did get to see the sticker labels being put on that last machine right there. All of the ingredients in their candy and jellies are made right here in Florida. This is the gift shop, and it has anything you could imagine for sale. There were all kinds of marmalades and jellies in such bright, vibrant colors in these glass jars. And these are coconut patties. And it was really nice to have samples. There were samples of the jelly candies and the chocolate pieces. And there were actually samples of the jellies. Over here on this table are those bags that you saw at the beginning of the video. Each bag costs anywhere from $3 to $6, and they had a special. If you bought 10 bags, you could get the 11th bag for free. We let the kids each pick out a bag, and we brought a couple bags home as souvenirs. These were the boxes that you saw in the shrink wrapping machine. They also had a special on these. Buy 4 boxes, get the 5th one free. There were some specials on the marmalade cans as well. If you go on their website, you can order online and have their candies and jellies and marmalades shipped to you. The Davidson family has been involved in citrus tree growing since the early 1900s, and this shop is really neat to see the history of it and to see a little bit of history of Florida. I just love this wall. It is so beautifully displayed. I didn't realize that Davidson ships citrus all around the country. So back here is their order form and some of their sample display baskets. It was currently out of season, but it was coming back in October. So if you love Florida citrus delivered to your door, be sure to check online and join their mailing list so you know when they're back in season. This is pretty much the whole place, but it's really neat to visit. Next up, I'm going to ask the girls some questions to recap our day. I try to do this with each stop we make just to see what they're thinking and learning. Autumn, what did you learn in this candy factory?
The founder?
Macy, what did you like about this place?
The chocolate.
What?
The chocolate sample.
The chocolate samples? Which one was your favorite?
I think the one that looked like mint, but it wasn't mint.
Oh, is it this green one right here?
Yes.
Ooh. How about Autumn? What was your favorite thing here?
Was chocolate, yeah, that's the one. Chocolate key lime thingy.
Oh, okay, let me see. Chocolate key lime pie crunch.
This one.
Yours is the green one too? Oh, chocolate mint crunch. Is that the one you're going to pick out?
Wait, I can pick out anything?
You can pick out one of these chocolate bags.
I can pick out the store.
What did you like about this place, Autumn?
Chocolate and samples because they're free.
Girls, did you have a good time in there?
Yeah.
Was that really neat to see how that candy was made?
Yeah.
Maddie picked out the candy that they make here. The strawberry. Can I see it, Maddie? Yeah. We saw those being made. Yeah, we'll open it in a little bit. Yeah. And then Macy, what did you pick out?
Chocolate.
And Autumn, what did you pick out?
White chocolate covered whole pretzels.
Ooh, yummy, yummy.
It was a huge pretzel at the sale at Disney shop.
Was that a fun stop?
Yeah.
All right. It's fun to take the girls to historical places of our home state and to support local family businesses. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. More time to gather.